Hi traders, welcome to this FXDD video on the euro dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency, and before we take a look at the markets, be aware of this risk disclaimer explaining the fact that trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. If you're looking for more videos, of course, you can check out FXDD YouTube channel. And for live webinars, we recommend these two links. Top link is for live trading webinars, and the bottom link for live educational webinars from Nenad and myself. All right, your dollar daily chart is being basically respecting this 21 EMA and 144 EMA and making a downtrend, but very choppily, as you can see. Every time price moves up, it bounces at the 144 EMA, but when it breaks the 21 EMA zone, it really doesn't move far before it reverts back to it. That happened again, actually, last week. And now the question is whether this downside is a pullback or is it a continuation of the downtrend? And I think it's open decision at this moment. I think it go really both ways. On the 4-hour chart, what I'm looking for is really a re-break below 111.50-ish, 111 like this, for instance. 111.60 here, below 111.35. If it shows good momentum, a good breakout candle below that zone, below these levels, I would consider a downtrend continuation, because let's face it, we do have strong momentum here. There could be a pullback, and then this could be break, pullback, continuation within the downtrend. So it's I leave it up to price. I want to wait for price to tell me which direction it's going to go. If, however, price re-breaks again above this weekly pivot point at 112, and then closes above the 21 EMA, well, that would certainly change things, and we might see a push up on the euro dollar. So in that case, the target might be up at here at R2 or R1 at first at 112.50, then R2 around 113, 113.25, and there could be a bigger ABC zigzag, something like this. Here we go, ABC. All right. So it's an interesting spot. I mean, normally I always have a favorite with one direction clearly winning and the other one not that interesting. In this case, really both sides have something to say for themselves. I know it sounds funny, but it is possible because of the momentum here and the momentum here, and also the pretty choppy and corrective environment we're seeing on the daily chart. It really lends itself to a potential in both directions, ironically and funny enough. And that has to do a little bit with the corrective pattern we're seeing here. It is a falling wedge like this, so that leaves space really for both a break. If it breaks below this support zone, it could be a breakout and downtrend, or a move higher back to the top of that falling wedge and back into the 144 EMA. As you can see, the 144 EMA is about around that 113.50 zone indeed. All right, so that would be interesting if price could break above this level right here for price to move counter trend ABC zigzag like this to the upside. All right, this could then of course be again a pretty strong decision zone where either there's going to be a bearish bounce or a bullish breakout, probably a good chance of some kind of corrective pattern at that spot. And then we're looking for a break up or down. If it does break to the downside, looking for a flag and then a continuation below the flag for follow through down to not only 111, but maybe even the next round level at 110. All right. So if we get the break, a good momentum followed by a flag and then a breakout would confirm that continuation down to 110. All right. If we get, however, upside and then a flag and either the downside break or the upside break, with the upside break, we're probably looking even for price to get up to 115. Downside break could go back to 112.50 and retest these support levels here and a potential head and shoulders, left shoulder head. If it moves up like this and then down, of course, there's always the potential for a inverted head and shoulders pattern as well. So all in all, pretty choppy corrective euro dollar, but there could be some interesting trade setups, I think, on lower time frames if we get a breakout and some good momentum in either direction. Okay, so that said, be careful with the euro dollar. Of course, it is a corrective and choppy environment, so just keep that in mind, that it is risky. It could be risky in the sense that price might break and then make a fake breakout, for instance, right? Just keep that in mind, that certainly with the euro dollar is something to be on guard for. Anyhow, that's it with regard to the euro dollar. We're going to be back, of course, with more analysis and webinars this week from Nenad and myself. Check out these two links for the upcoming schedule. And of course, wish you all good trading. See you soon. Cheers.